Hey y'all, APG Jamie here, and today we're going to kind of do a walkthrough on the studio, which is probably about as clean as it's going to get, y'all. So we've still got our counter over here, and it took some finagling, but I actually got them to put it up higher like it was before. So anywho, they put in a quartz countertop because well, it just doesn't matter now, does it? So, oh look, I got a bucket of water in there. Oh, you didn't see, because I don't know how to work a camera. So that's, woo, listen to that drain. So, as you can see, everything is pretty much, well, maybe not everything, about like it was before. I've got my sound stuff over here. I've got my heavy books and my kitchen sink stuff. Usual things in the drawers. Here I set up this little table with the little sewing machine on it. I don't have the chair there yet, but it will get there eventually. And here's the bathroom, because I'm blessed to have a bathroom. I still don't have my artwork put up yet, but we'll get there. And we have a shower and, you know, the toilet, because gotta have a toilet. Oh, and the sink, there's a sink. And yeah, I've still got my grocery bags and easel sitting in here, and then that's got my wintry type shirts in it for arting with. Sorry about that, y'all. We got this stuff put back up. Frames are all stacked there on the floor. We moved the couch this way instead of this way. And I've got stuff stacked behind it because, you know, I'm a stacker-er. And the bookcase has all the books on it. I was doing real good at getting them organized, and then it was like, no, just get that crap up there, okay? And I've put my stretch canvases here. A couple of footstools. There's nothing new here. This is really, well, the one counter over there. This is a room divider that we used to have in the house, and I thought, well, it works here too. So now I have piled up, these tubs, plastic tubs, containers, less frequented stuff on the bottom, more usable stuff with some of the projects I was originally going to be working on this year, but now I'm going to have to I don't have to reorder it, but I will, because y'all know I like my my videoing schedule recordings. So my usual, there's the pretty window with the window film in it. I really like it, y'all. And I'm trying not to be too jiggly, but it's how it goes. And then this is the island we originally built many years ago. And it's got tubs over here, Roscogs here, rolly carts, and my stuff piled up on there because I like it. I like it like that, y'all. So, and pretty much everything down here is the same that it was. The stuff on the counter's been kind of moved a little bit. I don't know. Will it stay this way? I don't know. But this is probably about as clean as it's going to get. Organized, that is. So, I've discovered I have plenty of ribbons, plenty of everything, plenty. I have not set up my camera or my lights. So, and this is a current project. Hang on, I want to move that little lamp. My husband won the lottery. Second chance lottery. Not money. It had some stuff. It had to do with Pac-Man stuff. Anyway, I don't have my camera set up. My lights are pretty much where they were, but it's not all set up. I'm going to try the laptop down here instead of up here. So maybe cross finger, jump down, go to down boogie. I can read chat better. And there goes that Roscog rolly cart. And of course my stencils are still on my clothing rack guy, because I like it. I love it. It's an ingenious idea. Thanks so much, Shell C. And still have my die cutting stuff over here because that's where I liked it before. That's where I'm still going to like it. My big old giant guillotine. Little guillotine. Y'all can see I just got cutters everywhere. This is the basket that was on my desk that I would use scrap papers in. Well, it's gotten full. These stamps need to be put up. You know, there's always something got to be put up. See, I got enough ribbons, y'all. This right here is some from my fan. Y'all know my Amazon fan person. I don't know who they are. They sent me this back in March. Look at this, y'all. This big old giant cardstock package. Look at that. Don't you just love it? I know I will. Love using it. Wait till y'all see what's in the box. Oh, my goodness. Thank you, my Amazon secret admirer person. Look at the duct tape. Y'all, just look at that. Pretty. Here's some lightning. It's like thunder. Lightning. The way you love me is frightening. Ow, ow. Mermaid scalage. Waves. It actually looks to be some type of trim, you know, fabric trim or something, but I don't know. Did it have a name? Blue waves. This one is fire. This one is called Night Flower. And here's some wood grain. Did I tell you my secret admirer just loves the heck out of me? Look at these planets. These planets. Can't forget the peacock. Flowers. This one's called Lavender Leaves. Y'all know I'm going to like using that. This one is called Lucky Leopard. So that's what my fan, secret admirer, sent me back in March. Oh, that's a heavy bunch of cardstock. Now I will say I normally use, I don't know what brand I use. I think it's HP. It's whatever brand Sam's typically carries. And it is slightly heavier than the Nina. I didn't know there was a difference because I've never used Nina before. Still haven't. Because I'm not happy arting yet. We'll get there. I still got stuff to sit at. You'll need to be fiddling with that. Oh, watch out. I almost crapped a lynched myself. These are some new items that I picked up, you know, when I couldn't art. I had to do something, right? So, refrigerator, microwave, feathers, usual. It's pretty much just like it was before, pretty much. Molly, Champ's outside. He chose not to come in. Yes, I still have cardboard. This is a project that I've been wanting to do for a few few years, day or two. Y'all know all those magazines that I like so much. I'm going to go through them and I'm going to pull out the artist paper and whatever inspirational pictures, articles I want to keep, and then I will recycle the rest. That's the plan, man. Will I ever do it? I don't know. Oh, and on the back of the room divider thingy-majiggy, I may try to hang up some of my artwork back there on Velcro strips. I don't know. We'll see. So I guess that's gonna do it for now. Everything else pretty much the same. It just looks crazy cluttered. And I guess I like it like that, y'all. My fan, my lights, dark corner. We have not put the television back up. I don't know if we will because I never watch TV out here. I'm not a big TV person. Any hoots. I appreciate each and every one of you. Your kind comments, your likes, your shares, everything about you, your patience with me for the last, what? It's almost 3 months now, y'all. Thanks for watching, and happy arting, y'all.